This bodybuilder was so ridiculously massive that people literally called him the Freakenstein. Meet Paul Dillett, a dude so jacked that he looked like he escaped from Area 51 after bench pressing a UFO. At 6 feet 2 inches and nearly 300 pounds of pure mutant muscle, Paul didn't walk on stage, he invaded it. His traps looked like there was another guy trying to break out of them. His shoulders were wider than your Wi-Fi range, and his veins had veins. When Paul stepped on stage, jaws literally dropped. Even other pro bodybuilders were like, nope, I'm not standing next to that guy. But the wildest part? In 1994, he almost died on stage. Full body cramp, froze mid-pose like he got unplugged and needed 4 guys to carry him off. Most people would rethink their life after that. But Paul, he just kept training like nothing happened. He retired in 2012, but to this day, his physique remains the definition of what being massive really means.